Hey guys, welcome to my channel. When you get an error on the computer while opening the WhatsApp application, you definitely think to reinstall it. But unfortunately, you were wrong. Because if we do, it will happen again and again. So in this video I will show you the right way to solve it.
Let's start.
Alright, first of all we right-click on the WhatsApp shortcut. Then, click on Open File Location. After that, we delete the WhatsApp shortcut. Next, click on the first folder at the top.
Then, find whatsapp.exe in that folder.
Right-click on it and select Send to. Then click on Desktop, Create Shortcut. Close File Manager. You can rename the shortcut if you want. Now, try to open WhatsApp. And the problem is solved. Thanks for watching.